Okay, kasi I read before na si Offer, si Akos Ibarra is a fan of Sherlock Holmes and Detective Conan, no? So, with the character of Loki, do you consider that the new generation's Detective Conan or Shinichi Kudo? Kasi siya yung older version ni Conan eh. And do you also consider Project Loki as your biggest break? Thank you.
Yes, I believe na this is considered my biggest break kasi nga, first of all, this is my very first lead role, title role. So, first of all, very thankful sa lahat po ng nagtitiwala, sa lahat ng nagsusuporta, sa lahat ng pagmamahal. With the supporters, with my friends, with my family, with the bosses ng Viva, ng TV5, stages. I'm just very thankful to each and every one of them. And going back to your first question about Sherlock Holmes and Detective Conan.
Do you consider yourself as the modern, new generation's Detective Conan or Shinichi Kudo?
Wow.
Kasi fan si author ni Detective Conan.
Yes, well, that would be a privilege to be considered as the modern detective. And siguro yun naman yung goal eh, diba? Is to be remembered as someone na talagang tatatak sa audience, and I would feel flattered kung yun yung may isip ng tao. So each and every one of us wants to just do our best and na mapasaya yung audience kung anong mang klaseng role gaganapin namin. So yun lang po.
Thank you. Sorry, pahabang question lang
Sure
kay author naman si Akos Ibarra. So yun nga, I mentioned earlier nga na parang nabasa ka na fan ka ni Detective Conan. How is it na parang yung series mo naman yung magiging modern naman na Detective Conan? Kasi before parang viewer ka lang na fan of a mystery thriller na anime.
It still feels surreal that one of my works is being adapted into a series, and I used to watch the live action adaptation of Detective Conan and other mystery series like Sherlock Holmes, and I used to wonder how it will feel like kapag na-adapt yung story ko. And now I no longer need to wonder because it's happening, and I'm glad that they chose Dylan to be the titular character for Project Loki, and I hope that not only the fans of the book but also the general audience will appreciate his performances. Hopefully, tama nga yung sinabi na sana makita siya as the modern detective, this modern Philippine version of Sherlock or Conan or Shinichi Kudo.
Thank you, and looking forward sa project. Thank you.
Salamat po.